Hey guys, I'm cooking macaroni and cheese. Cheetos. Okay, you can't even. Oh fuck. Okay. Pause. Damn, I've been waiting for my mac and cheese already. You know what? I'll just sleep instead, okay? What is that, bro? Yo! What the hell is this? Okay. Once boiled, put the pasta in. Now just stir it and how I wait for this, I'm recording my soccer ball. Good boy. Once you boil it for just a quick moment. Oh my! Then drain the.
No.
Once the water is drained, add the margarine, then milk, but you have to mix first so you could add the cheese. Now you. So this is a jalapeno, and that's this. No, this is a golden cheesy. It's the box. Then I add the cheese powder. Mix it more to add it more creamy and a little bit spicy.
It's ready. I put here. This one. It's gonna be so spicy that.
It's okay already.
We'll see if you put it down.
Okay, once. Okay, it's about to get a little bit creamy. Wait for it until it melt. He's still sleeping. Then once you're finished mixing it, you have to put in a bowl. Or keep mixing, whatever. But you have to be careful while mixing. But we have to switch off that first. I'm gonna put the camera away. And your food is done. What did I just smell? My mac and cheese! Thank you for watching my video, guys. Hope you enjoy, like, and subscribe. Bye!